My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Phyna last birthday outfit don't cause laughter on the internet space, and also Big Brother Naija All Stars reunion, allegedly it has been cancelled. And lastly, a big congratulations to Beauty Tukura on her massive deal. So a few days ago, Phyna celebrated her birthday with mind-blowing photo shoot where be say she wear up to like 7 or 6 outfits to take celebrate her big 27. But a particular outfit, the last one where be say she take wrap up the whole photo shoot, na come spark reactions where be say people come dey use am dey laugh her. So this na the outfit wey be say she wear. For those of una wey watch my book, wey read my book of the Bible story, Lazarus that year na so dem take wrap am. E just be like wetin dem take dey wrap people wey be say dey put for tomb. Na just creativity na the girl do, but people dem no see am like that. So dem come out come dey react. The first person here say the cheapest outfit I have ever seen. Another one says giving Egyptian corpse the mummy, but she wanted a wrap, she got it. Our opinion no count sha, no be us give her money to make it. This one say Lazarus don rise again. Another one say it's creativity, if you don't know ask, very beautiful. The next one says it actually looks like bandage but beautiful. The last person here say abeg she bin get accident where dem bandage everywhere like this, abi she don kpai for Egypt come do burial ceremony for Naija, abi which kind Egyptian fashion course be this? If na oyibo person na actually wear this cloth, I know us wey be say be Nigerians, we for don dey hail the person, e so beautiful, wow, creativity, this one. When Tyler for South Africa, when she carry sand take sew cloth, carry sand gum her body, everybody dey clap for am. I sure say if na my own Nigerian person na wear that cloth, we for drag am, because we no fit see something wey be say dey good, make we just appreciate person without being biased. Phyna na a lot of things, I no go lie, but you see for this her birthday outfit, I don talk am before for my previous video, say nobody comes close for her BB Naija colleagues dem when it comes to photo shoot dressing. The girl, she sabi. So onto the Big Brother Naija All Stars reunion. Few days ago, we see one flyer for online where they make an announcement to say the reunion they actually start this month, where be June 2024. The thing they start on the 24th of June. I don't carry the news because I wasn't sure as at that time. But now people don't they come out, they just say from sources. You know, say some of all these housemates, they actually get VVIP fans. So we say they test certain things. So some of those VVIP fans don't come out to come give us the gist to say allegedly they don't cancel the reunion because the top stars for there they refuse to come. And the top stars where we say they count for us, where we say actually refuse to come now Venita, Ceec, Mercy Eke, and Angel. Some people they claim to say the reason why Venita refused to come reunion na because of Doyin. It's not dey factual to me, if you ask me. Because first of all, you not get wetin Doyin wanted Venita, where Venita never hear from online fans. They have been dragging her in something and calling her bitter for the past 8 months now. So nothing will change. For Mercy Eke, they claim to say the reason why Mercy Eke no dey come na because she dey booked. Likewise, Ceec. Why for Angel, they believe to say Angel dey fear Mercy Eke. She think to say Mercy go come, that's why she no wan come. To me, wetin be her name, Angel no dey fear anybody. Angel mouth wey be like razor blade. Just believe to say the reasons why all these people no dey why they no wan come for the reunion na because multi-choice no know themselves. Normally when you start reality TV show like that, you suppose state out the contract clearly. Anybody wey be say no come, before they even enter the house, you go first sign, make the sign say reunion they must attend. Anybody wey no attend, may pay 100 million naira cash. Or anything wey una want, you stay hold them down. You cannot give us a show without giving us reunion. They tell us to say they're not great come. It makes no sense to me. Some fans don't come out to come react to this news of the cancellation of the Big Brother Naija All Stars reunion 2024, and this now waiting they gas to say make una listen for na safe.
As housemates, it's not a good look on them. Really, nothing of this has anything to me personally. I don't think any of this has to do with the housemates. They need to look, if 2 people came, it's still okay. There are people that want to hear from those 2 people at the end of the day. But this one now, they're just canceling the whole thing. Nobody is, for me, strong enough for them to decide not to come for that for them to decide that there should be no reunion unless there's something, like, even if it's just a day or 2 days. Like, it's not even, I'm not even going to put anything on the housemates. It's not them. It's really not them. I don't think, why wouldn't they come? And if the ones that don't want to come, if they don't come, the show goes on. Like, people were leaving every week and people were watching the show till the end, so it doesn't mean anything. I just feel like multi-choice, they moved so bad last year. They moved so bad last year that them too, they don't have answers to some of the questions the viewers and even the housemates might want to ask. Look, the whole situation with the breaking of a glass on housemates, like, for me till today, it makes no sense to me. And not saying nobody can speak about it. She's supposed to come on the reunion now and not talk about it. What are they going to say about that? Why would you tell nobody to talk about it? You go off live for so long, nobody saw it. Like, the credibility of the show is just gone to me. Like, you have an all-star cast and you're treating them like commoners. You're suppressing them. You're not allowing them to express themselves.
Thank you very much. I was having a conversation with these people. I said even the food they were giving them, the food, like, I was like, the food, as if they were about to go.
If they talk too much, you will give them punishment that they should be doing coloring book. What kind of nonsense is that? Somebody left. See, there's some things you just don't do. If you want an all-star cast, you treat them like all-stars. Don't treat them like commoners. The whole thing was just, there's so many. The production was poor. They brought fake housemates who were giving information on what's going on outside in such an obvious way. Like, literally ruined the whole game for all of us watching. No, that was the thing.
When I don't hear wetin they talk for una sef now. If Big Brother like, may they continue to dey joke with their shoe. If una check and where from lockdown season till now, una go see say so many viewers they don't stop to dey watch Big Brother. Immediately lockdown finish, so many people come dey reduce. If you check the percentage where Phyna take win, it is smaller than Lekon time. If you check the percentage where White Money take win, it is smaller than Lekon time. If you check the percentage where Ileba take win, it is smaller than Phyna time. So the percentage of people who say they watch Big Brother they decline every day. I not say reason of holding the show 8 months ago. You can't wait after 8 months before you want to do reunion. It makes no sense to me. But kudos to them and good luck to them. So onto Beauty Tukura matter. Beauty, she actually don't bag a massive deal from Farouk's drink. For those of you wey be say no know Farouk's drink, Farouk's na an Egyptian company na get am. Na from there na the thing they start from, and they get so many branches for different countries. So they don't finally sign Beauty Tukura as their ambassador for Nigeria. Yeah. So a big congratulations to Beauty Tukura. It is not easy. Most of all these big brand, they hardly sign Big Brother Naija people these days. Most of the time, if such big brand don't sign person, they actually sign person where be say be the winner. If una check Guinness that time, they actually sign Lekon when he come out, Techno too that time, and the same thing that they do. But after some time, we don't realize that say most of all these brands they sign people where be say they see say their brand they clean, and Beauty Tukura na one of them. So na big congratulations to her and her fans. Una take care, una bye.